Dave Geithner, System Engineer for Cambium Networks out of Chicago. We kicked off Wispapalooza yesterday with some of Cambium's Tech Talk sessions, one of them being cnWave. Great attendance and great interaction with operators and customers and consultants that attended to it. There was surprisingly a lot of questions related to, I have opportunities for cnWave, but I'm not even sure how to get started with it. I'm not sure if I have the right distance or the right lay of the land. And so what was surprising to us that people weren't necessarily ready or understanding that Cambium has tools available to plan cnWave networks to answer these questions that they were asking about, hey, I have opportunities, but I don't know exactly how to ensure that I'll get the right performance that I want to get. So the key message to them was, we have a free network planning tool, Link Planner. It's a great place to start. We have other planning tools, cnHeat, AMP, that are a little more mature for different reasons, but Link Planner, freely available to pull down from our website. You can put in the particular areas that you're thinking about, and then you can see how it performs, whether you choose a cnWave V5000 distribution node, or a client node, or a point-to-point link, or any of the mixture of above, and get a full network performance design, as well as the beauty of being able to spit out an actual bill of materials at the very end without having to know part numbers, without having to know, hey, but do I need this additional accessory, or things of that nature. That was great. And I think that served probably a good 40% of some of the attendees that were looking for information about more than just cnWave, but how to plan cnWave, how to see if it fits for me. So that's been my experience so far. We have some pretty strong advantages in different areas, whether it's technical, whether it's support, whether it's sales, whether it's engagement with our development team, or all that above, really differentiates it, Cambium, from when they start talking about what they experienced with this other vendor. So the whole thing is where I see our maturity advantages. People can find out more information about cnWave on our Cambium website. They can come cambiumnetworks.com.